Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we got a new wig from one of my absolute favorite brands. We have one by LuvMe Hair. OMGG. It's always their signature purple packaging for me. It just makes your wig feel that much more luxurious once it arrives. But let's go ahead and get right into it, because this one is kind of exciting for me because I haven't worn one of these style wigs in a very, very long time. And these used to be some of my favorites. So let's go ahead and get into it. So upon opening it, of course, we have our signature inscription. I'm telling you, everything is just always top tier as it pertains to LuvMe Hair. The packaging just makes it worth it. Look at that. OMGG. Let's just slide everything out. I don't like to rip my little tissue paper sometimes. All right, so what do we have inside? We have our box label, so you can name your own unit, whatever you want, and stick it outside of the box, because these units do come unnamed, unlabeled. So we do have a clippy clip to hold our hair back. We have our instructional manual and all of that good stuff. We have what looks to be wig gripping tape, stocking caps, and the storage bag here. Everything is very convenient. And this is our unit, girl. We have a short human hair unit. I used to love wearing short units like this. I don't know if you guys remember the mommy wig, but that was my absolute favorite wig of all times as it pertains to my short dudes. All right, let me show you the cap construction. This is like a full cap wig. It's just a traditional wig. Like when you think of a wig, this is it right here. This is that. Like an old school wig. Now you do have these silicone built-in grips, which is a nice touch. And those are specifically designed for those that maybe you don't have hair because you're going through maybe like chemo treatments or that type of thing. So you don't have to put on a stocking cap underneath. This will sit comfortably and perfectly on your head due to those nice little grips. But don't get it twisted. Any wig is, you know, perfect for any type of situation. There's no particular wig for, you know, those going through hair issues. You can wear whatever you like. Whatever makes you feel happy, confident, and beautiful, girl, that's what you order. But this one is definitely nice if you're into short hair. Look at that. It's just beautiful. LuvMe's hair is just so gorgeous. Now, this one doesn't have any tight curls in it, but look at it. OMGG. She's definitely fluffy. You can comb it however. Girl, it's just layered to perfection. Spray it down, girl, and it is beautiful. But, girl, let me go ahead and put this on. She is too cute. I may have to go to the big mirror to get this perfect so we can see the back. Oh, let me put the latch in there. Like I said, traditional cap, standard wig cap, human hair, easy to wash, easy to maintenance, very beginner friendly. And just like that, ha! We got our own. She's ready. She's beautiful. Girl. Look at that. This was effortless. You saw it. I still want to go look at the back, make sure everything's laying perfectly. But girl, definitely a lay flat. It feels good. It looks good. This is one of those where you want to pull out your statement earrings. Ah, it is nice. Very nice. Oh, it's giving rich auntie vibes. The rich auntie that pulls up to the function and gives all the kids $2. Oh, it is cute. OMGG. This is perfect. This is just perfect for the fashionista who loves to just switch it up. And we all know I like to switch it up. And this one's perfect. Look at that. OMGG. She's cute. She's cute. I said I was gonna go to the bathroom and get it together. Let me go ahead and show you the back. But I am gonna go play with it. And I'll be back. But I like it. Just like this so far. She's cute. It's definitely giving the 90s sitcom wig. I absolutely love it. I think it is so cute. Girl, you can even wear this into your favorite hair salon and let them customize this unit to your liking, to your face. It is beautiful. I absolutely love it. So make sure you check out that description box to get yourself hooked up with this light and airy short wig. I absolutely think it is gorgeous, girl. Definitely gorgeous. And I just love the quality of the hair. It comes a perfect length for customization. So yeah, definitely check it out. I like it right here, but there is some things that I would want to do to it as it pertains to like some of the heaviness through here and on the sides, just to give it a more tapered look. But I love it. It's definitely giving, she's gonna look cute with your fall fedoras, girl. It's tea. It's definitely tea. I love it. Let me know what you think. All right, girl, that's it for me. Let me know what you think of today's unit. Drop me a comment down below in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.